Vehicle insurance is a loss insurance product that protects the insured from the risk of loss that may arise in connection with the ownership and use of motorized vehicles. Risks covered by vehicle insurance include vehicle damage or loss due to accidents, collisions, immersion, malicious acts, theft and fire, damage to or loss of vehicles due to riots, terrorism, and natural disasters, third-party losses due to accidents caused by the insured's vehicle. There are two types of vehicle insurance, namely comprehensive vehicle insurance, all risk, which provides protection against all risks of loss, both small and large, including loss. TLO, total loss only, vehicle insurance, which only provides protection against the risk of loss if repair costs are estimated to be equal to or exceed 75% of the vehicle's price immediately before the loss. Vehicle insurance can be purchased individually or through an insurance company. When choosing vehicle insurance, there are several things you need to pay attention to, namely, type of insurance, namely comprehensive or TLO, expansion of guarantees, namely additional guarantees that can be added as needed, such as driver and passenger personal accident coverage, legal liability coverage, and riot coverage. Premium, namely the insurance cost that must be paid by the insured. Vehicle insurance is an important thing for motor vehicle owners to have. Vehicle insurance can provide financial protection if a vehicle is lost. Here are some of the benefits of vehicle insurance. Protects the vehicle from the risk of loss, helps ease the financial burden in the event of a loss, makes the claims process easier. Increase vehicle resale value. By having vehicle insurance, vehicle owners can feel calmer and more comfortable when driving.